Hello everyone, and welcome. In this video, we will learn how administrators can review, approve, and schedule student course enrollment requests in openSIS. We are currently in the student portal. To switch back to the admin portal, click on Back here. This redirects us back to the administrator's portal. Now, from the side navigation menu, navigate to Course Requests. Here, administrators can view all course enrollment requests submitted by students. The list displays the requested students, requested course sections, and their current enrollment request status. Now, select the student whose course enrollment request needs to be approved and scheduled. After selecting the student, click on Approve and Schedule. This opens the scheduling window where the administrator can review and finalize the student's course enrollment. Now, click on Schedule Students. If no scheduling conflicts are detected, the student will be successfully scheduled into the requested course section. Once the scheduling process is completed successfully, the enrollment request status is automatically updated within the system. Now, let us verify this from the student portal. Navigate back to Student Information, and impersonate the same student whose request was approved. Next, navigate to the Courses module, and click on Course Enrollment Status. Here, we can now see that the enrollment request status has been updated from pending to scheduled. This confirms that the administrator has successfully approved and scheduled the student into the requested course section. This completes the process of approving and scheduling student course enrollment requests from the admin portal in openSIS. Thank you for watching.